Ayan. Good morning. Pauwi na kami. Kape muna bago lumipad. Tamang kape. Madilim. Chef Log, paalam ka na. Kabidya. Paalam, di polog. Check-in na kami.
Talagang tumimbang ka pa, ha?
Okay, waiting ka lang na aeroplano. Uwi na kami. Yun, kita ko na aeroplano. Dipolog Airport.
Black stairs, please. Those black stairs, please.
Ayan, sasakay na kami ng aeroplano. Pauwi na ng Manila. Goodbye, Dipologs. Chef Tom, bye-bye. Sakay na kami. Bye.
For 54B, sir, left side middle seat.
Thank you.
Right side.
54. Lagi natin. 54. Ayun. 54. 54B.
54A, yan nga, B.
Yeah.
Sabi niya, laro tayo ng seat. Yun yung gusto sa ano.
Yan. Pasay na kami sa loob. Ba, maganda to. Malinaw ang salamin. Walang gas-gas.
Bound for Manila. Our pilot and commander is Captain Daryl Estela, and this is your lead cabin crew attendant. Our estimated flight time is approximately 1 hour and 20 minutes. We shall now be showing you the safety features of this aircraft, the Airbus 320. Please watch the cabin crew nearest you. To fasten your seatbelt, push the ends together. To tighten, pull loose ends of the strap. To loosen, tilt buckle and pull. To unfasten, lift top of buckle, pull free and to release. If you are with an infant, fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seats. On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your body. Slip vest over your head. Take tape around your waist. Push ends to buckle. Pull waist tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull down sharply the two inflation cords at the lower end. If life vest fails to inflate, blow into mouth tubes. Push pin inwards to release air. Do not inflate your life vest inside the aircraft. The lamp will automatically activate when the battery is immersed in water. In the unlikely event that emergency oxygen is required, oxygen masks will drop from above you. Remove your face coverings and immediately grab the aircraft oxygen mask and pull firmly towards you. Put over your nose and mouth. Pull a big fan from and breathe normally. Keep mask on until you are advised to remove it. If a child or other passengers near you need assistance, put your mask on first before assisting them. The emergency exits are clearly marked throughout the cabin. Locate the exits nearest you. These exits may be behind you. In case of power loss or smoke in the cabin, emergency lights and path markings will lead you to these exits during an evacuation. For further information, please study the safety card found in the seat pocket.
Ayan, alis na kami. Kumakawin na. Bye-bye.
Against the light.
Bye-bye, Dipolog.
Mahaba pala ng boulevard na yun, no?
Oo.
Mamaya na naman.
Take off na kami.
Thank you.
Nagkaaway-away yung kasalubong.
As a safety requirement for takeoff, cabin lights will be switched off. If you wish to read, reading lights are found in the service panels above you.
Take off na. Ayun, bumuka na siya. Bumuka na yung hasang. Bumuka na yung hasang ng aeroplano.
Pwede na. May pwede na.
Ganito lang kami, mga Kawi Maynila, ganyan lang takbo namin. Yan nga, bubuelo na.
Cabin crew prepare for takeoff.
Maganda siguro kung doon tayo sa piloto. Magbibideo lang ka mo.
Hindi mo yung video sa pagalik mo na.
Kaya yung angat noon. Ayun. Ayun na po. Lilipad na kami. Hihi. Bye-bye. Ang sarap naman.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Dipolog. Ang lawak ng Mindanao.
Bye-bye, Sambuanga.
Tumatagilid, umiikot-ikot ka pa, ha? Ayun, dagat. Lawak eh.
Safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened whenever seated, as we may experience clear air turbulence during the flight. Use the lavatories located in your section. Tampering with the lavatory smoke detector is against the law. This is a non-smoking flight. Smoking, including vaping, is not allowed. Please be mindful of your belongings throughout the flight and keep your valuable possessions secure. For further assistance, please call any of your cabin crew.
Wow, 7 siguro.
Kaya naman nakakalula ko binibidyoan.
Maalog yung aeroplano. May house.
Ano na tayo sa tayo? Yung pagpas. Sama ka? Ha? Sama ka? Tapos yun?
Oo.
Ha? Sa ano?
Sa
Yung feeding.
next year pa naman eh.
Feeding ka.
Eh, masarap kasi yung explore. Oo.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched on, and we are experiencing an area of turbulence. For your safety, please keep your seatbelts fastened and avoid using the lavatories at this time. Your cabin crew shall likewise be attending to your needs once the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched on.
Yung experience yung flight sa tabi. Ay,
So,
makikita nyo. Yung mga ilaw.
so yung liwanag.
Makulap yun.
Ulong-ulong.
course.
Ayun na. Lalabad na. Boom. Safe trip.
Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord. Ligtas na biyahe. Safety trip.
Mabuhay! Philippine Airlines welcomes you to Manila. Time now is 26 minutes past the hour of 8 in the morning, and the date today is October 24 on a Thursday. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the seatbelt sign is switched off. For an orderly manner of disembarkation, passengers must remain seated and await instructions for deplaning. We shall commence passenger deplaning as soon as we receive clearance to do so. Muli manatiling nakaupo at nakabit ang inyong seatbelt hanggang ang fasten seatbelt sign ay hindi na nakailaw. All passengers with connecting flights out of Manila will be given priority. Remain seated at
Yan na.
Kanya-kanya na ulit.
Kanya-kanyang buhay na ulit mamaya. Bye. Thank you, ma'am. Kukunin na lang namin ang aming gamit.
Mansi. May tayo kami ang uwi kahit suka.
Layuwi, ang dayok.
Busa kong malubak.
Malubak yung biyahe.
Wala ko kayo din sa office.
Kukunin na lang ang aming bagahe. Bakit ka ba? Nalipot.
Wait lang, wait lang.
Taxi na sa LRT.